Well, welcome back, my friends. Okay, do you live in a small home, but you want to make your home feel just a little bit bigger without breaking the bank? Well, here are 5 easy ways to create the illusion of more space. All right, number 1, use lighter colors. Light colors like whites, creams, soft pastels. That can make your room feel more open and airy. Consider painting your wall and trim and even furniture these shades to create the illusion of a larger space. Number 2, declutter. How many times are I going to tell you this? Declutter and organize. A clutter-free home instantly feels more spacious. Get rid of those items you no longer need and make sure every item has a designated spot. Less clutter equals more room to breathe. Okay, 3, reflective surfaces. Mirrors and glass surfaces reflect light, helping space feel brighter and larger. Place a large mirror on a wall or choose furniture with glass or reflective details to open up that room. Okay, number 4, vertical storage maximizes your space by using vertical storage solutions. Tall shelves, wall mounting racks, and floating cabinets can help keep these organized while making your floors feel less crowded. All right, number 5, open floor plans, which is really popular. If possible, try to create an open flow layout. Remove unnecessary walls and barriers between rooms to make space feel more connected and less cramped. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite key realty agent in and around Central Ohio. These are just a few small adjustments that can create a bigger, brighter, and more functional home. It's about optimizing the space you have. All right, if you're ready to make your home feel bigger, let me know. Let me know which tip you're going to try first. And as always, guess where we are? We're in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette, Mo, and Associates.